Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make the robot vacuum cleaner mop the floor. So here I've got Lubluelu and it's currently connected to the charging station, and you can see it's currently on the carpet floor. So I would like to mop the wooden floors. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this out and take the charging station over here, and then to stop it from working I'm going to press the power button. Stop recharging. And then I'm going to take it, bring it here, and then I'm going to place it there. Actually have the wooden floor, then you don't need to do this, but in my case, since I've kept it on the carpet and I don't want the carpet to get wet, and for that reason I'm moving the charger myself to over here. And then now you need to remove the rear compartment with where you have the water tank. Take out the dust box. And here is the option for you to pour the water in. So open this cap, and then I've already taken a glass of water. Okay, close it, and then you've got this kind of mat, so you can use this to actually mop the floor. So what you can do is you can push it in, and then it might start dripping a bit, but that's only once you fill it. And so the same reason I recommend keeping this on a non-carpet floor. Then insert this. Start charging. You need to make sure it's properly plugged in. So, take out the dust. So make sure you get that proper locked in sound. Let me show you on the mobile app. So this is the Smart Life app. So this is already configured. Now what I would like to do is just clean specific areas. So the living room and the bedroom is made of carpet, and then so right now I don't want it to mop any of these two, so I would like to mop on these three. So what I'm gonna do is before that I'll go to settings, and I need to select the mode. Make sure you give the suction and the water level as high, so that you can control later on the map. So mopping status, it says is installed, and the work mode, so I currently need to do just the mop, but if you need you can do sweep and mop as well. So I'm gonna click mop, and now there's a option to say which kind of cleaning mode you need. So you got like Y-shaped cleaning or quick cleaning. So I'm gonna go with Y-shaped cleaning, and I'll show you in a second. Now I'm gonna click on the selection cleaning, do corridor first, and then I'm gonna do bathroom and the kitchen as well. You can select the number of times, how many times it needs to do it. I'm gonna click 2, and then I'm gonna do go here. So I'll show you side by side. As you can see, the robot is over there, the app is here, and go here. So as you can see right now, it's just the charger here, but since I moved it, after it locates, you can see the charging has moved over there. So that means it has detected right now where the charger is in the actual map. So as you can see, it has started going through the surroundings, and then once that is done, it will start doing the Y-shaped mopping. So right now it's gonna complete one whole cycle, and if you can see, when it comes near the charger, it would actually keep some safe distance so that it doesn't touch the charger. Now the one cycle is complete. Now it will start doing the Y-shaped mopping.